Hello students, today is our chapter 4 World Population Structure. All human activities are related to natural resources and population. All human activities are related to natural resources and population. The study of population structure is very important for planning of regional development of any region. That's you very carefully listen. The study of population structure is very important for planning of regional development of any region. On world level, regional differences are found on all aspects of population structure. The main component in population structure, composition of demographic structure. On world level, regional differences. Every world state and countries, regional differences. So population differences is included. And this next we discuss about the main component in population structure. Composition of demographic structures are first age structure, and second sex ratio, third population composition, fourth literacy, and fifth occupational structure. This is the five main structure of population. First we discuss age structure. What is the age structure? Age structure is studied according to different age groups. Age structure is studied according to different age groups. Normally the population of country is classified into three different age groups, which are first the youth group 0 to 14, and adult group 15 to 64, and old age 65 years above. The population over 65 years of age is called age population. Now we discuss age structure. First the youth group. Youth group is related to 0 to 14 years. The youth age group comprises 35 of the total world population. How many population in world comprise the youth age? Answer is 35%, and 18.3% population in developed countries. Developed countries like North America, Europe, and 32.2% population in developing countries. Developing countries like India, that is called developing countries. This population youth 32.2%. In this comparison, developed country, the youth structure is less, and developing countries youth group is high, 32.2% are included in this country, that is India. This highest youth is in Africa, nation 44.5%, and second Asia 33.6%, and less is North America 22.5%, Europe 21.6%. At the national level, Japan youth is only 14.3%, and Germany 15.2%. That is the age differences. Europe, Japan, that is less youth age, because these countries is developed countries. Now we next discuss the adult age group. The adult age group is 15 to 64 years. 15 to 64 years age group is called adult age. This adult age is very important because this is reproductive and economically most generation. Adult age group 15 to 64 population of this category is reproductive, most productive economically, and most dynamic demographically. The development of level of any country is related to population in these categories. Very important question. Whose group is related to development of any country? That is, answer is adult age. Adult age group is 15 to 64 years peoples. That is the reproductive, most productive and economically most dynamic population. Elderly age group above 65 years. This population is found in higher in those countries where demographic development sequences has been completed. Most development countries are related to this group, 6.8%. Population in the world is of the senior citizen population percentage is the highest in Europe, America and Asia. Highest Europe 14.6, America 12.5, and less you see only 5.8% population is elderly age group in Asia continent. This population is higher. Those countries demographic development sequence has been completed. Most developed countries are related to this age group. You listen very carefully. The highest percentage of senior citizens are in Japan, 18.27%. Senior citizens in Japan, 18.27%, and followed by Germany. Germany 17.17%. Third, France. France senior citizen is 16.21%. In most of the Africa nation, this percentage is between 2 to 3 only. Out of this, Ethiopia and Somalia are the prominent ones. You see, the most important question, highest percentage of senior citizen in Japan, 18.27%. Second, Germany, 17.7%. And third, France, 16.21%. That is the population is dependent. Today class you learn that world population structure is very important for related to natural resources and population, and the study of population structure is very important for planning of regional development of any region. And this next you see the demographic structure, that's age structure, sex ratio, population composition, literacy and occupational structure. We discuss age structure. First, the youth group 0 to 14 years, and the youth age group is comprises 35% of the total worlds in country. 18.3% in developed countries, 32.2% is developing countries, and this highest Africa and less than the North America. Generally, young population is more in developing countries, while the population of adult and elderly is more in developed countries. Okay, and the next adult age group 15 to 64 age. Population of this category is reproductive, most productive economically and most demographically. The development of the level of any country is related to population in these categories. Okay, this unbalanced age composition bears an adverse effect on the economy of country. That's adult age is very useful for the country economically status. And next, elderly age group above 65 years. This population is found higher in the demographic developed sequence has been completed most developed countries. Like you see, the continent is highest in Europe 14.6 and America 12.5% and Asia 5.8%, and the nation Japan, France and Britain. So we discuss next topic, sex ratio, in next class. Thank you.